In this video, I'm going to explain what NFTs are and how they work. This is something that a lot of people are curious about but don't really know the answer to. Hey there, my name is Mr. FOMO and I'm going to be talking about NFTs or non-fungible tokens. A lot of people have been asking me what they are and how they work, so I thought it would be a good idea to make a video explaining it all. So if you're curious about NFTs, stick around and let me teach you what they are and how they can benefit you. 1. What are NFTs? You may have seen the term NFT popping up a lot lately. But what exactly are NFTs? In simple terms, NFTs are digital assets that can be bought, sold, or traded like any other asset. However, unlike traditional assets, NFTs are not physical objects. Instead, they are stored on a blockchain, which is a digital ledger that records all transactions. This allows NFTs to be unique and immutable, meaning that they cannot be duplicated or altered. So, why are NFTs suddenly so popular? There are a few reasons. First, the rise of digital art has created a demand for unique digital assets. Second, the use of blockchain technology makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Finally, the increased focus on cryptocurrencies has led to more people searching for alternative investments. So, if you're curious about this new trend, don't be afraid to dive in and learn more about NFTs. 2. How do they work? Have you ever wondered how those little digital images called NFTs work? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll take a look at the basics of how NFTs work and why they're becoming so popular. First, let's talk about what an NFT actually is. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Essentially, it's a digital asset that is unique and can't be replicated. So, unlike traditional currency, you can't just make more NFTs whenever you want. This makes them rare and valuable, which is why people are starting to collect them. But how do you get your hands on an NFT? Well, there are a few different ways. You can buy them on websites like OpenSea or Rarible, or you can earn them by completing certain tasks on platforms like Ethereum or Cardano. There are also a growing number of games that allow you to earn NFTs as rewards. If you're looking to start collecting NFTs, there are plenty of options out there. 3. What are the benefits of using NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replaced. Unlike fiat currency or cryptocurrencies, which can be exchanged for other assets of the same value, NFTs are one of a kind and have a value that is determined by the market. While some may see this as a disadvantage, there are many benefits to using NFTs. For one, they offer a high degree of security and transparency. Because they are stored on a decentralized ledger, NFTs cannot be counterfeited or altered. Additionally, all transactions involving NFTs are recorded on the blockchain, making them auditable and tamper-proof. This level of transparency creates trust between buyers and sellers and helps to prevent fraud. Furthermore, NFTs can be used to represent any type of asset, including digital art, music, videos, and even physical objects. This flexibility makes them ideal for a wide range of applications. Finally, NFTs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with digital content. By allowing creators to directly sell their work to fans, NFTs could help to create a more sustainable ecosystem for digital content. In conclusion, the advantages of using NFTs far outweigh any potential disadvantages. Please feel free to subscribe and smash that like button if you liked the video so far. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. 4. What are the drawbacks of using NFTs? While non-fungible tokens can be used for a variety of purposes, there are several drawbacks to their use that should be considered. One key issue is that NFTs are often stored on centralized servers, which can be vulnerable to hacking or manipulation. Additionally, NFTs are often reliant on a third-party platform for their creation and distribution, which can create additional risks. For example, if the platform goes out of business or changes its terms of service, users may lose access to their NFTs or be unable to sell them. Finally, NFTs can be subject to inflationary pressures, as more and more tokens are created. This can reduce the value of existing NFTs and make it difficult for new buyers to enter the market. While NFTs offer some unique benefits, it is important to weigh the potential drawbacks before investing in them. 5. Who should use NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have been gaining popularity in recent months as a way to monetize digital content. From social media posts to art and music, NFTs provide a way for creators to sell their work in the form of unique, digital assets. But who should be using NFTs? There are a few key groups of people who can benefit from using NFTs. First, there are content creators who want to monetize their work but don't necessarily want to give up ownership of it. Second, there are collectors who are interested in buying and selling rare and valuable digital assets. And finally, there are businesses that are looking for new ways to market their products and services. Each of these groups has different needs and priorities, but all can find value in using NFTs. For content creators, NFTs provide a way to generate revenue without sacrificing control over their work. For collectors, NFTs offer a new way to purchase and trade rare digital items. And for businesses, NFTs present an opportunity to reach new customers and promote their products in innovative ways. Ultimately, whether or not someone should use NFTs depends on their individual needs and goals. But for those who are looking for new ways to monetize digital content or trade rare assets, NFTs offer a unique and compelling solution. 6. When should you use NFTs? With companies like NBA Top Shot and Decentraland generating millions of dollars in sales, NFTs have been gaining a lot of attention. But what are NFTs, and when should you use them? Simply put, an NFT is a digital asset that is stored on a blockchain. This makes it unique and immutable, meaning that it can't be duplicated or modified. This makes NFTs ideal for collecting and trading digital assets like artwork, music, and videos. One of the key advantages of using NFTs is that they can be easily traded and sold. There are already numerous platforms that allow you to buy, sell, or trade NFTs, and this number is only likely to grow in the future. This liquidity makes NFTs a great investment for those looking to cash in on the growing digital collectibles market. Another benefit of NFTs is that they offer true ownership of digital assets. When you purchase an NFT, you are the sole owner of that asset. This is unlike traditional digital assets like MP3s or video files, which can be copied and distributed freely. This means that you can be sure that your investment will hold its value over time. So when should you use NFTs? If you're looking to invest in a hot new market, or if you want to own a piece of digital history, then NFTs are definitely worth considering. It is a new technology that offers numerous benefits for those looking to buy and sell digital assets. From increased security to the ability to easily transfer ownership, NFTs provide a number of advantages over traditional methods of buying and selling digital products. However, there are also some drawbacks to using NFTs, including the potential for scams and the lack of regulation in this still emerging field. Overall, though, NFTs offer a promising way forward for anyone interested in buying or selling digital goods. If you're thinking about using NFTs in your own business dealings, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and information. Thanks for watching.